हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल नॉलेज गेन बाय पूजा। और आज डिस्कस करेंगे प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन ऑफ केबीएस पीआरटी 2018। और ये क्वेश्चन मैंने डाउनलोड किया है ग्रेडअप से। आप भी वहाँ जाकर डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। जैसा कि कल यूपी में एग्ज़ाम होने वाला है, इसको देख के लगता है कि अब एग्ज़ाम कंडक्ट कराया जाएगा, तो केबीएस का भी जल्द ही एग्ज़ाम होगा। तो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते हैं। Choose the word most nearly opposite in meaning to the given word. Fact. Fact का opposite इसमें क्या होगा? Fiction, imagination, reality और lie. The answer would be fiction. Actually, a fact is based on reality, and fiction is a result of creativity. Both are opposite to each other. So, opposite of fact is fiction. Complete the following sentences by using the correct form of the verb with the help of options that follow. The headmaster dash to speak to you. Is wanting, was wanting, were wanting, or was. So the headmaster is similar, is easy question. The headmaster wants to speak to you. He dash for 5 hours. A has been sleeping, B must had been sleeping, C was sleeping, or D had slept. तो थर्ड का क्या होगा? थर्ड का होगा A, he has been sleeping for 5 hours. C, here the explanation is for is used to show perfect continuous tense, and here is has been sleeping. He has been sleeping for 5 years. Now direction is, in each of the following sentences, improve the underlined part with the help of given options. Fourth, I shall have much pleasure in accepting your kind invitation to dinner. A, can't have much pleasure. B, I am having much pleasure. C, I may have much pleasure. And D, I have much pleasure. The answer is D, I have much pleasure in accepting your kind invitation to dinner. No sooner did the police arrive than the robbers made good their escape. A, no sooner when the police arrived. No sooner did the police arrive. No sooner the police arrived, and no sooner had the police arrived. No sooner had the police arrived. And it is must be noted that no sooner is always followed by than. The idiom given below is followed by 4 possible meaning. Choose the correct option. By fits and starts. Irregularly, successfully, incompletely, or suddenly. The meaning of by fits and start is irregularly. First option. Direction is, in the following sentence, out of the given alternative, choose the one which best expresses the meaning of the underlined word. Superficial. What is the meaning of superficial? Superficial means shallow, means not very deep. The answer will be B. In the following sentence, one part may have an error. Choose the one which has the error, if any. It is high time that we send the answer to this query. इसमें गलत है. It is high time that we, here will not send, it will be sent. It is high time that we sent the answer to this query. The answer will be B. In each of the following items, a word is followed by 4 explanatory expressions. Choose the expression which best describes the word. Orthodox, one who forms established opinions, one who has no opinions of one's own, and one who holds established opinions, and one who is self-opinionated. The answer is C, the one who holds established opinions. Explicit, drawing out a secret from somebody, comparison that is out of place, statement that is absolutely clear, and trade prohibited by law. The answer is statements that is absolutely clear. Now let's start हिंदी. समान हिंदी का पहला सवाल है, जिस संज्ञा से पदार्थ में पाए जाने वाले किसी धर्म